What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back in the shop and we're back to working on the S10. I don't have any parts or anything to actually add to it yet. Obviously, got to save up some money for stuff like that, but you guessed it, we're gonna do some more welding today. So let's jump into it. So for most of y'all that have been following along with me on this journey, y'all know that I've been welding mostly on the sheet metal work inside the cab, the floor, firewall, wheel tub, stuff like that. We're going to change it up a little bit today. Both of the frame horns are just tacked on. They've both been broke off one time before, had to be put back on. I don't know if they're level, not level. I think they are, but what we're going to do today is we're going to cut them off, and we're going to take this piece of flat stock that I got here from the old Tractor Supply, and we're going to go in and plate this, make this a nice flat surface. That way we'll have something to weld to for one, and then also have, you know, something to actually pull a good measurement off of to get those things where we want them. I also may come in and tack a bar from here over to the other side before I take them off. Just so they're, you know, level like they are now. When they go back on, I can just level it all as one piece. I'm not sure, but we're gonna see. So here goes nothing, guys. Got that tagged in. There we go. Just like I wanted it. All right, and now we can start working on plating those. All right, guys, I went ahead and did the hard side first with all the little curves and stuff in it. That's what it looks like, just, you know, burned in. I'm going to obviously flat wheel everything down, get it smooth. Then I just got the other side to do it. That one should be a lot more simple. It's just a square hole. So yeah, let me get both of these done and cleaned up, and then I'll show y'all what they look like. Be back in a few. All right, guys, John come to hang out with us. Got the front horns plated, or where the horns are gonna go. That's what they look like. Got us a good smooth area to work with now. And we're gonna keep on trucking along with it. But me and John's fixing to go pick up another truck. So this is gonna have to take a break for a minute. See y'all. Me and John just went and picked up the donor truck. The 350's coming out of this, and that's what I'm gonna be building to put in the S10. And we got some other plans for this truck coming later on. Y'all see it in another video though. Hey you, I'm gonna need you to get out of there, and I'm gonna need you to get on that trailer so you can go to my house. Hurry up, chop chop. It ain't moving. It ain't doing it. Damn it. All right guys, got the motor out. Now it's got to go to my house, get tore apart and cleaned up and ready to go in a S10. And I got to find a transmission to go behind it. And this truck in the future is going to get this sweet little 4.6 and manual transmission swap done in it. We talked about it probably, I don't know, 10 videos ago, 5-10 videos ago, and found us a truck that we both could use some stuff off of. And so this one will be an upcoming project after some other stuff gets out of the way. We'll probably sprinkle in some on this one, some on the S10. Still got stuff to do on the green truck, so y'all keep following along and watching and like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Well guys, we got a truck picked up that had the donor motor in it, or so we thought. Got the motor pulled at John's house, left the truck there, brought the motor back to my house, and we started tearing the motor down, and it's not looking good. So we were told it was a running truck, but the flex plate was broke. We started pulling it apart and come to find out it's got a spun rod bearing. So I've got it all disassembled, heads are off, motor's tore down, and I'm gonna call the machine shop tomorrow and see what they say it'll cost to rebuild it or fix it for me. Then I'll decide from there whether or not to continue down this road or try to find another motor or whatnot. But yeah, all in all, it was a fail today. My daily, the belt tensioner broke, the belt came off of it, so me and John had to fix that. Motor's no good as of right now, without being rebuilt. So yeah, didn't really get as much accomplished as I would hope, but we're gonna keep working on it. We ain't gonna give up. So y'all stick along, stick with me, whatever. And we'll be back making more videos on it. So thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all later.